Hey, good morning. This is step 6 in setting up your dispatch software, and step 6 is setting up your lanes. What that does is, well, we'll talk about it as we do it here. So you go to Account, Settings, and then Manage Lanes tab here under Settings. And what this does, if you're a motor carrier and you're looking to find freight through your route, either through a direct shipper or even a third party broker, this would only show you freight in the lanes that you want to see. So, for example, if you're a Michigan carrier and you only want to see freight, in and around Michigan, you can just say, all right, Michigan to Michigan, and click Add Lane, like that. And you see down here, you now have Michigan to Michigan. Then you could do Michigan to Ohio, for example. And if you wanted to see freight Ohio back to Michigan, you just click Add Round Trip. And then it's going to add the 2 lanes, so on and so forth. So again, if you wanted to do Michigan to Indiana, add round trip. These are the only lanes that you're going to see opportunities from direct shippers or 3PLs. So it's really going to filter down the opportunities to match what you're looking for. So you're not getting hit with a bunch of opportunities that you'd never want to haul. If, for example, you wanted to see everything in and out of Michigan, you could click Michigan here, leave your destination state as all, click Add Round Trip, and this is going to populate every option in and out of Michigan that we have. Okay, so every state in and Michigan out to every state. Then if you're in Michigan, you may want to run Canada. So you just put in your Michigan here as your origin, Canada as your destination, and maybe you only want to go to Ontario, and then click Add Round Trip. And that would also add the Canadian runs to your profile. And that's it. And then once lanes are set and you have equipment, you can go to connections and actually look for direct shippers that meet your criteria. So that's how you do that. You go to connections, shipper search, begin search, and it's going to pull up all the shippers that will meet your requirements that are inside of URoute. And then you can network with those carriers by simply selecting them and sending them a request. Once the requests are accepted, they would end up in your shippers. Here we have 0, but once they start accepting you, you'd see multiple shippers. And then the open opportunities come here under open bids, and that would be, again, for both shippers and 3PL customers. So that's setting up your lanes. Appreciate it. That was step 6. And if you have any questions, customer service at uroute.net, customer service at uroute.net.